Some bad. Ooh, there's gonna be some good groceries coming. Alright guys, well it's Saturday night. I got Simple Life Reclaim, Country Road Cure, and Bobblehead coming over for Fired Up Friday, the first one at the new cabin. But we're gonna have a little fire tonight, so I need to break out the brand new chainsaw and get a little cutting action. Come on. Alright, so typically I do this milk yados thing with like chicken and shrimp and maybe steak. But tonight we're going to do it with sausage, steak, and chicken. I'm also going to cook some potatoes and onions and stuff. I have a bunch of stuff left over from being out here at the cabin and I'm leaving tomorrow, so I might as well cook it and feed everybody. So let's go ahead and get the vegetables cut up first. And then we'll do the steak and the sausage, and then we'll do the chicken last, because you never want to cut chicken and then put something on top of it on the cutting board and cut chicken. No bueno. End up with some salmonella up in here. Come on. So we got the kids out here playing. Everybody else is over there at the fire right now. While I get this prepped up, see what's going on, Ada?
What's going on?
my little sous chef helping me out. All right, let's chop up these taters. Just cutting them in fours right now to make them cook a little faster. That way they get done about the same time the onions do. It has been a while since I've done a Fired Up Friday, and we're doing it from the cabin, off grid this time. We got many more of these coming in the future. Sorry about the lighting. I ain't got the lighting quite great out here yet, but working on it. I've only been out here 2 days, so working with what I got. Let's go ahead and chop the steak up, get it ready. I'm also going to use the rest of the steak that I cooked for breakfast this morning, so that'll work out. I'm just going to cut this up in chunks, and then as it's cooking, I'll cut it up into smaller pieces to mix up in with the rice. Ooh, this is going to be a good meal. I'm not going to lie, I'm excited about cooking for Simple Life Reclaim and Country Road Cure, because they have took care of me the last couple of times I've came here to Arkansas to look at the property, and on the 4th of July, and also right after the meetup. They always feed me good, they always give me a place to stay, and I haven't been able to return the favor. So tonight, we're going to cook some good groceries for them, hang out, and just have a good time with good friends, good family. Come on. Alright, now that we got the steak done, let's get the sausage ready. We're just going to cut all of these at the same time, probably in about inch lengths. That way they cook pretty fast as well. But I'll tell you what, I've been working my butt off since I've been here for 2 days at the cabin, and I'm actually impressed that I'm actually able to cook a meal like this after only about 2 days. I've been working till about 2:30 in the morning every single morning and waking up at about 7, so I've been putting in the hours. Now we got the sausage done. We're going to go ahead and put some olive oil before we do the chicken. The chicken makes a mess. I want that to be the last thing. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil on all of it. I'm using organic first cold pressed. You always want to get the first cold pressed. It's a lot better olive oil. And I love olive oil. We're going to put garlic on everything. I don't have very many seasonings out here yet, but I do got garlic, salt, and pepper. What more do you need? And then toss it a little bit. it's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna be good. There's a reason why I done it in the order that I did it in. I used to own a restaurant, and there's a certain way that you got to handle beef, pork, and chicken in certain orders, especially when they're raw, because they will give you some diseases if you do it wrong. So that's why I did what I did. All right, with the chicken, what we're gonna do is cut them in half. Then I'll chop them up on the griddle itself. So you just take your knife, run it down, just like that. Then you got a couple of pieces. Ooh, that's a big old chicken. Did you see the size of that cock-a-doodle-doo? What movie is that from? Put it in the comments. I know. Let's see if you know. Alright. We got the chicken cut up. Now I need to wash my hands and I'll season them up. Alright, being as I only got 3 seasonings, we're going to use the same ones. Salt and pepper and garlic. I'm only going to season one side of them. I'll throw that down, and when it's on the griddle, I'll season the other side while it's cooking. We're going to do it like Ramsay. Hold on. Alright. I think we got everything prepared. Now we can light the hibachi and get this thing started.
Their staple combo here is the cheese sauce, that white cheese sauce, chocolate gravy, and then there's a sandwich. It's kind of like it's like in Power Boy. No. And I come out and the guy sees me, he's like, hey, are you Anthony?
Alright, what we're having tonight is where it's called Milk Yatos. Where I'm from in Gainesville, we have a Japanese steakhouse place called Yamato's. The kids love it. Well, one of the favorite things my kids like for me to make is Milk Yatos. So it's Milkman's version of Yamato's. But we off-grid this time, so it's a little bit different. So I got my water right here. And I got my Dutch oven. I gotta boil some rice. So we're gonna do it off-grid style. I got my siphon hose. Come on. Because I haven't got a pump from Walmart yet. Country Road Cure's got a pump. That thing pumps. I will have one of those. That thing's sexy. Come on. So all we do right there, do a little cycling. We shouldn't need too much water, although we are going to do probably about 5 bags of rice because we got a bunch of people here. Then all you got to do, crimp it off like that. Come on up. Put it all in there. And like the old info commercial said, set it and forget it. Come on. Is the lighting still good?
Oh yeah, lighting looks beautiful right now.
All right, so now what we're gonna do, the people that were here before me left this little grill right here. So I got some charcoal. We're gonna light the charcoal up. We're gonna put the Dutch oven on top of that, heat the water up, put the rice in, and then it's grocery time. Come on.
So how you feeling on your first Fired Up Friday on the cabin?
Man, I'm loving it. This off-grid style right here. It'll only get better as we go. Lighting's a little rough right now tonight, but I've only been here for 2 days. So the fact that I can do a meal this big in 2 days, hey, hats off to myself.
I'm getting it.
Daddy, do the song.
But wait, there's more. I might have got a little carried away on the rice.
No, you good, bro. It kind of looks like you know what you're doing.
You know, I have done this once or twice before. You know, everybody's been wanting Fired Up Friday to come back for a while, but I haven't been in the mood in the city. But now that we're back in the country, ooh, come on with the good groceries. Come on.
Looking pretty good.
I'm gonna be like Popeye by the time I'm done with this little pepper shaker, boy. Look at that. Woo, Jesus. Where's olive oil? Because I need a biscuit maker. Come on. A lot of freaking oil.
It's some good right there. Mm-hmm. Steaming.
Working this little hibachi like a pro, come on.
Oh yeah.
Ain't my first rodeo. Might be the second.
I could tell. Three at a time, come on.
Can I beat my horn? Yeah.
We need more propane! Come on!
It can drive over
Back in there.
a hill. It can.
Flame's a little yellow. I don't think that's a full tank. But you know what? We're going to make it do what it do, boo-boo. We're going to make it do what it do. Ooh, there's going to be some good groceries. Come on.
It smells really good.
Man, this is gonna be some good food right here. I'm excited.
It
You excited?
smells so good. I'm sitting here just watching the master at work. It's pretty awesome. I feel like such an honored guest.
Let me ask you something. What do you think about Fired Up Friday Live?
I think you should get it.
Yep.
I think you should get it.
Everybody's always wanted me to do Fired Up Friday again because everybody knows I went to the city. So this is the first Fired Up Friday that I've done in about 7 months. In Simple Life for Cream and Country Road Cure, you get to see it live. Come on from Come On Mountain.
I'm so honored.
See, there's no hiding and editing going on here. They get to see it live. So they'll be able to tell you if I'm just full of beep beep or not. Or if I can actually throw down like I claim. Come on.
Come on.
When it cold snap past week, negative 34 with a wind chill of negative 50. That's all I said. Negative 34 with a wind chill of negative 50.
Not going towards you. Yeah, you were.
There you go. Come here, give me your plate. I'm getting.
Yum yum though, it's called yum yum sauce. Yeah, look at it. Look, Wyatt.
Now mix a little bit of rice in there and try it with the rice.
It's really good, Wyatt.
Come here, Scarlett. I'm just.
Look right here. Look right here and say, what do you think, Wyatt?
Good. I like yum yum sauce. Yum yum sauce.
I heard you want to be a chef. Is that true? Well, maybe when I get up here, maybe me and you will do a Fired Up Friday together.
He wants to be a millionaire.
You want to do a Fired Up Friday together with Uncle David?
Is this a Friday?
Yeah, you could cook some really good food. And,
That would be cool.
you know, you
Man,
have,
this looks good,
that's how
David.
chefs start.
I'm gonna get me some of this. I want a lot of that.
If it's not good, Anthony cooked it.
Okay.
You know that's a lie.
I ain't being shy on the rice.
You know
Oh
that's-
no, don't. There's enough to feed a small army.
Well, I'm putting a small army on my plate.
Hey, y'all was throwing those blocks today, so y'all need to get some groceries. I know y'all hungry.
Yeah, we need to get
Replenish.
Yes, the strength. The strength.
Replenish.
I like it.
really good, huh?
This looks really good.
Over there on the other side.
Thank you.
You will.
Right here.
Well, eat all your whole plate and you can have plenty more.
Let me get me some of that chicken.
More yum yum.
Ooh, some yum yum.
Wow.
Yum yum sauce. Some yum yum.
That's it. Into your all done. You're all done. It's really good.
I ain't shy when it comes to the
Good,
food.
guys. You want some,
I
Scarlett?
get
Oh,
down.
me neither. I used to tell people I went through the recession, boy. I don't say no to groceries.
Right? Heck no.
Man, I had
Especially when
$11 in my bank account at one point, bro. It was Chef Boyardee and ramen, and I had a car payment and rent due.
I lost 3 businesses in 08 because of the recession.
Smells good.
And that's how I ended up doing IT and changing my whole life.
Yeah.
Because, you know, a lot of people sit there and they cried about it and all this other stuff. I looked at it as an opportunity. I was tired of doing the steel and all the other stuff, but I had so many roots and I just couldn't leave because I had so much going on. Well, it gave me an opportunity to rethink things and to change things. So I remember clearly, I stood in my living room in Zephyr Hills, and I was just like, if I was ever going to make a change in my life, now's the time to do it. And I literally kicked it into gear and changed everything about my life. Moved. Come on. I've done this story quite a few times. You know what I mean?
This will be the last time.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
This is it.
This is definitely the last time.
This is the final chapter of epicness.
Well, this has been my dream, a cabin in the mountains, since I was a kid.
This is
So-
the yum yum time.
You know, I'm getting older. I'm not saying I'm getting old, but I'm getting older. And if you're ever going to do it, when are you going to do it?
You're getting old.
I'm about to be 45 years old in a couple of months. It's time to make it happen. I know I don't look it, but I'm about to be 45.
You don't look like that.
Thank you very much. You my favorite. I knew you was my favorite.
Yeah, you look like you're like 20.
Hey.
Yeah, you do look like you're
You can't do no wrong.
Yeah, you
That one right there can't do no wrong. If she's in trouble, send her to Uncle Milk's, boy, because that girl can't do no wrong.
do no wrong.
Hey, I'll take it.
Yeah, you do look like you're 20.
You're my new favorite, too.
19.
I don't want to be back 19 again. I can't go back to those ages. I was lucky to get through it.
Very good, David. Thank you.
Very good.
Very, very good. And the yum yum sauce
It's yum yum, ain't
is
it?
very yum yum.
What do you think about it?
Yum yum. Yum yum, come on.
Give David a thumbs up, baby. I know you're cold.
Thank you, man. This is freaking delicious.
Thank y'all.
Fired up Friday right here, bro.
Is him a name?
That's what I'm talking about.
This is the first Fired Up Friday at Come Home Mountain. Come
I'm
on.
making yum yum.
You guys missing out.
Great. I'm not joking. Where's the button?
What do you think about that yum yum?
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Pretty yum yum, man.
Pretty yum
Pretty yum yum.
Pretty yum yum.
So tell me what you think about it.
Mm-hmm. Come on, can make some food, that's for sure.
I love your cooking.
Thank you.
You're gonna be doing some Fired Up Fridays.
Oh yeah, definitely. When I get that big green egg up there, boy, look at here. It's about to go down. All right, guys, I think we're going to go ahead and end this for tonight. It's been a great day. I've been extremely busy filming a bunch of stuff for y'all coming here real soon. So if you haven't liked the channel yet, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and make sure that you hit all, because we got a lot of great adventures coming up here on Come On Mountain, on Come On Homesteading. So come on. But I'm going to sit here and hang out with my friends because I've been cooking all night and filming all day and haven't had a chance to actually get down and just chill. Maybe get a little bit of that sipping cream. Come on with the sipping cream. Come on.
Come on.
So until we see each other again, guys, come on. Let's go on another adventure.
Bye, you guys.